versus the Lich King.
All will serve me
Okay.
in death. Let the hunt begin.
So I can play this. Alright, yeah, let's play it. I just don't know if I'll play this on turn 2. It's kind of bad for my curve. Mining casualties. I think I'd just play the jungle gym. And I will make this trade. Okay. Patchwork pals. Snakes. They're stealthed. I don't have reason to use the jungle gym just yet, so I'll just wait on it.
One dose solves
Okay.
any problem.
Okay, think we Leok and Misha. And then now we do this. Okay. Alright, let's just go face. Okay. Oh, Jesus. Alright. How do I want to do this? I can kill that with Huffer. I can play this and this, and then hope for this to get poisonous. I can kind of gamble with the RC Rampage. Oof. Alright. See if I get a poisonous here. What's up, poisonous? Okay. Saves the Divine Shield, I guess. Oh, it's a Plague DK. Alright then, Camouflage Mount? With Headless Horseman, okay, so that's not a Plague DK, it's a Rainbow DK. Alright, so we're gonna do this, and then we'll do this. Don't think I used the, location just yet. Yeah, I don't think a Plague DK would run crop rotation, so that would have been my first clue. Okay. What an incredible removal. Okay. Let's see. play this and this. Let's do this first. And then play these two. Okay. Freezing weapon. Ouch. Alright, so we'll do this. We'll play these. We'll play the Huffer. And I guess we'll see if he has the other AoE. Does look like he's trying to discover an AoE, so. Alright, GG. It is kind of crazy how my opponent last match, he got some really good draws. He had very good answers to what I was putting down on the board. And this deck still manages to pull through. Okay. I'm gonna play this because I'm looking for a better 2-drop than Observer. I'm considering a Rat Trap actually. Because this might not be doing that much. I mean, what are the odds he plays 3 cards in a row, though? It's unlikely. Like, he has the coin. Yeah, I don't think he would. I can't just run this guy out. And then just Painted Cavanasaur. I mean, I have a second one. Does apply pretty decent pressure. Okay, it's that spell that deals like 5 and then 5 again. So I will only be playing this. If I play the Sneaky Snakes, then they'll just die for free. Warrior always has Bellowing Flames. Okay.
They love a little fiddle.
Job's done.
That was a misplay. This is a finale card. I should play this and then this.
Not a mistake. Astounding. The Titan's blade shall never
Okay. Let's see if he goes for the cleave. Okay.
Calm down.
Cavanasaur, huh? Oh, so if he has the cleave, he can't actually cleave this guy anymore. Cavanasaur is really interesting, though. Because I can play it, and then one of these guys will probably get Wind Fury. And I'll be able to camouflage mount. Poisonous. Okay. Alright, that's gonna be that AoE. Alright, let's see. So, alternatively, I can play this and then this. So I would be dealing 12 plus 4 plus 2 more. Or just camouflage mount. This is Cavanosaur and then camouflage mount. Nobody got... Huh. None of them got the Wind Fury. It's a bit unfortunate. Alright, so... Can camouflage mount... Camouflage mount this? You'll pop whichever Divine Shield. Let's actually do this. I'll do this because his AoE, he'll have to crash his face into the 6 attack minion. Okay. You can do that too. Oh, he has safety goggles too. Okay, so his AoE does wipe all this. So this comes back, and I get a chameleon. Agromar is very good. Do I take the draw? Do I take the draw or the... I think I take the taunt. See if he has Brawl. If he has Brawl, I'll still get like 2 minions here. Okay, there's Brawl. Oh, Agromar survived. That's huge. Do I take the draw now? Or do I hit him for 5? Let's take the draw.
Chaos will be quelled. No one's going to believe this. I hunt alone.
And then just hero power. I think I do want to be hero powering. I do have this plus Huffer. Oh. That's kinda good. Alright, let's see. So I can do this. And get Huffer. This guy's a 6 now. Can also Leah. Ooh, this is kind of annoying actually. Take the immune. So he won't heal off of my swing. Alright. I think this would have been lethal. This would have been lethal if I discovered it earlier. Anyway, GG. Like, I feel like the saddle up nerf didn't really do that much. I figured that if they were gonna nerf it, it would make it like you get 2 or less cost beasts instead of 3 or less. But they just increased the mana cost, which isn't really that bad for us. Okay. In the mirror, the hunter that goes first does have the advantage.
They love a little fiddle.
Okay. Start with this. Maybe I set up a jungle gym. There's jungle gym. I can risk it and play 2 of these. I don't think so. Looks fun. If I have to guess, it's a buff minions and counter deck. If you have to guess what I'm playing, it's just an aggro deck. You do buff your minions sometimes. You can make your minions very, very sticky. Okay. I think now... I do the jungle gym play. Let's see what it kills. Okay. Let's see if he has RC Rampage. Looks like he does. He's either really mad or taunting me. Because if he has RC Rampage, then it's pretty easy to clear this. Okay, he might be a little bit mad. Alright, let's see. Do want to kill this thing before he buffs it. Let's see. I think I just play a Misha here and then trade here. Okay. Does he play Huffer to kill a Misha? I think he should play Leok. I think it would be better to play Leok. Anyway. Let's see. Maybe I Huffer this. Start with this. Another Painting of Venusaur. Let's Huffer here. Kill that, so it stops pressuring me. Then start swinging with the weapon here. Try to set up another big jungle gym. Would be nice if I drew my own saddle up. Okay. Okay. Let's see. It was a bit awkward. Ball of spiders. Alright. Ball of spiders into kill command here. Into swinging at this thing. Into trying to kill it with this. I am lower HP than he is. Is Secret Hunter still good? Rarely seen someone playing it. I think it's still good. I haven't played it. I don't have the legendary. Observer of Myths. Okay, alright, he's going full face. So, we'll play Leok. Okay. Do I just play these two, or do I play this? Do I play this and then trade and then play the other one? No, I think I just play this. There's the lifesteal. So maybe I kill off the poisonous actually. Okay. Taunt. I think I just take the taunt actually. I punch here, do this. Alright, GG. That Annoytron was pretty big.